So we're doing lower control arms. Safety first, always. Just so you don't lose nothing. Always have somewhere to put your stuff. When you're working outside, believe it or not, if the parts ain't too small, the grass is a good place to put stuff too. Might have helmets you have to take on to get to your boats. I do not see none on mine, except for one. Watch out for your ABS cable. And you want to loosen them up instead of taking them off, because you want to be able to move the part of the boat that's under the knuckle. With a lot of volume, it comes up. Now you go compare it to your other part. This one, pay attention to the curves. No curves on the back, curves on the front. Same size. So you simply just go and start. Start with what's elastical. That should be the first to go with. Get it in there pretty good. It's not gonna be a line all the way, but you just want it enough. Make sure it's all the way in there. Yeah, pretty much the same thing on the other side.